Hello, hello. I am down here and I am talking about the Social Media Marketing Cafe. The Social Media Marketing Cafe right there. I'm going to give you a behind the scenes look at the cafe. Alrighty. So when you log into the cafe, there are several different categories, and I want to share with you some of what's in there. So obviously there's a welcome, and I tell you how to use everything. There's a social media section. There's a marketing section. There's a section just for live streaming. There's a section for podcasting. And then there's a section which is all about how to do everything you need to do on your website. So if you have Kajabi, I show you step-by-step tutorials on how to do everything. Marketing funnels, email campaigns, sales pages, how to create opt-ins, loads and loads of stuff. And then there's also some bonus content. And in there, I've got some step-by-step tutorials all about Canva and more. And then under resources, right now I just have one resource, which is how to set up autofill. So when you look at, see how to set up autofill. So when you look at, for example, here, you look at podcasting, I show you all these. This is all I have so far, but there will be very soon, there will be hundreds and hundreds of tutorials, step-by-step how-tos, downloadable PDFs, everything you need. Best practices to do everything inside here. So right now under podcasting, I have things like a podcasting workflow, how to use Audacity, how to upload a podcast, things like that. Okay, now and then obviously how to podcast is in there. Okay, so under live streaming, so that's live video broadcasting, I show you exactly the absolute tips of the trade. I built my business on live streaming. So where to look, how to deal with imposter syndrome, what you actually need to have for your live stream. And I'll continue to add to those. Under marketing, now this is online and in-person marketing. I deal basically online, but you can use these very same tactics for in-person. So good and bad packaging of your live streaming and social media. In other words, how are you marketing what it is that you're doing and what's good packaging and what's bad packaging, what's good ways to talk about it and not so good ways. Marketing funnels made easy, how I created a promo video for this exact membership site, so how you can create your own promo video, how to save time, sales pages, customer service, and more. Under social media, I've got general things under social media, like 5 ways to grow your social media, how to figure out if you're really wasting time on social media. And then I will also get into specific social media platforms. Right here, I have how to get rid of spam on LinkedIn. I'm going to talk about LinkedIn and Facebook and Instagram and Pinterest. Those out of course, and Twitter and YouTube. So those are the ones that I'll really be discussing in detail for social media. 6 opt-ins that should be 6 places. Opt-ins should be on your website. Oh, that one should be under marketing. I'm going to put that under marketing. So in other words, if you have opt-ins on your website, do you have them in 6 different places? And if not, these are the 6 different places you should have them. You probably have an opt-in on your front page, right? On your landing page, and ideally it needs to be above the fold. So in the top half before you have to scroll down, that's where your one option opt-in place is. That's where your opt-in probably is, but there are 5 other places that you should absolutely be taking advantage of. Prime real estate that you have access to, that you own, where you should have opt-ins to increase your list, to keep building your list. So, and then here I talk about how an Insta story becomes, how an 8-clip Insta story turns into a 3-clip Insta story. And the reason that I did that is because the less people have to click through on stories, the more stories they're going to watch. So how I changed 8 times to and then you get the whole story and why I did that and where I did that. You might have even seen that. So this is the back end of the Social Media Marketing Cafe right now. Very, very soon you will have access to hundreds and hundreds of how-tos, tutorials, downloadable PDFs, loads and loads of videos that show you exactly how to do what I do and how to do it easier for you. Also, if you're a member of the Social Media Marketing Cafe, if you're a member of the cafe, you can request at any time that I create some sort of tutorial, some sort of helpful video or PDF, whatever you want, or both, for you to answer any question you've got on social media, on marketing, or on business. So if you're a member, you can request that I do that at any time. You can always email me, Bonnie@BonnieLFrank.com, or you can simply, under any comment, you can make a comment and I will address that comment. So you can ask a question and I will answer the question right there. You can address the comment and I will reply to your comment. So below every single product inside the cafe, you have the ability to comment, and you'll notice other comments that people have made. So take advantage of that to request features that you want in the Social Media Marketing Cafe. I hope you take advantage of it. Check it out. Go to bit.ly/getthecafe. I'll see you on the inside.